What is up, guys? My name is T-VOE and welcome to episode 5 of Reselling for Noobs. So today we're going to talk about where do I source product? Where do I find product at? How can I do it? I just started my eBay store. I sold all the stuff out of my house. I got rid of all my old clothes and I went through the garage, and it's too early in the year. There's no yard sales out. Where do I find it? So I'm going to tell you. So there's several different places that you can go to, right? Thrift stores, number one. Always go to thrift stores. Go in there. They stink, they smell, they're muggy. All the clothes are, given to them. Who cares? Go in there and go find that product. If you want to be a true reseller and you want to make money online, these are the kind of things that you're going to have to get used to. So when you're looking for brands in those stores, when I go in personally, I don't really go into thrift stores too often, but when I go in, I look for a few key brands, right? Always look for Nike. Now, thrift stores now versus 10 years ago are a huge difference in price, meaning they're a lot more expensive. So you really have to attack the deals when they give them. So when they have 50% off day every other Wednesday, you need to be there, okay? Take an hour lunch if you're at work, right? Go take your hour lunch instead of sitting on your butt and watching me or watching anybody else on YouTube as you eat your lunch. Go into the thrift store, spend your hour in there, and go get what you have to get and make it back to work, and it's like nothing ever happened, right? Grab a cheeseburger from McDonald's drive-thru for lunch instead of sitting there and watching all of us on YouTube tell you how to do this, okay? Those are the kind of sacrifices that you're going to have to make if you want to do this and you're still working a full-time job. This isn't a cakewalk. This isn't something that's easy. But if you do it and you do it right and you listen to these videos and you listen to the other resellers that are out there, you will succeed, okay? But it's all up to you. It's not up to anybody else. It's not up to eBay. It's not up to Amazon. It's not up to Poshmark. It's about you and 100% you, okay? So finding those products are going to be the grind and the hustle that you put in. Are you watching TV, sleeping in till 10 a.m. on Saturday because you had a long week at work, right? Or are you up at 6 a.m. to go out and hit those yard sales, and you're going to go to the sales, and there's a few estate sales, right? Maybe you hit a storage unit auction and you want to go find all the local auctions, or maybe you're scrolling on Craigslist to find the free items, or maybe you're looking on Facebook Marketplace to see what somebody wants to sell for cheap and then you can sell it on eBay or Amazon or Poshmark and make profit. Guys, it all comes down to what you are willing to do and how much you're willing to sacrifice for your free time to be able to do this. Now, whether you want to put in 5 hours a week, that's fine. Some people work more than one job now to make ends meet. So you need to have your family time, right? You need to have time to spend, with your partner or whatever. You got to have all that time, and you can't sacrifice that time because that's important, right? That's the whole reason that a lot of people quit their full-time job to do what I'm doing, because of that alone. So, figuring out how much time you can put into this is really going to make the difference. That is what you have to do, and that is what we're here for, right? To spend time with others. But if you're sitting at home and you're watching TV and you're sleeping in at 10 or 11 a.m. on a Saturday because you had such a long week at work, get out of that mindset and get out of it now, okay? This is not for, like I said in previous videos, the guys that are standing next to the Lamborghini. That's not what reselling is. Reselling is hard work, but it can pay off very big, okay? A lot of resellers that I know make very high six figures off of what they do, okay? And it's no joke. And you don't have to pay for a course for me to tell that to you, because I'm going to show you this 5 times a week, 5-minute videos. That's it, guys. This is episode 5. Thanks for watching. Tune in a couple more days and we'll get you episode 6. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.